I've done quite some work since my last update. I've replaced the beam. Sorry, I haven't recorded while I did it because I need to do it fast because this is what's holding the house, so I didn't have time to move around the camera and all that stuff. I needed to install it fast and set everything back on the beam before something moves or anything, so I apologize for that. I haven't recorded when I installed the beam, but it was way easier than I thought it will be. We simply push it on the trailer, on the snowmobile trailer, so it's at the right height. We move on this side of the house and we simply fish it or push it into the hole on the side of the foundation where the beam is belong. After that, since all my joists was already lifted in the air, it been very easy just to push it sitting on a block until I reach under the kitchen. And after that, it was just a matter of putting everything level. So for the first time since I don't remember when, this floor is level all the way. After that, I installed some piece between every joist so it gives it some stiffness. So now when I jump on the joist, there's no spring effect whatsoever. It's very strong. And as you can see here, I have a lot of 2x6. These are 16 feet long, 2x10 I mean. It's because today I'm building two beams. I need to make a beam here that is supporting the second floor. As you can see, I installed a temporary adjustable post because, let me go back a bit. As you can see, it's very not level. This section, the bathroom section, it has its right place. The beam is level with the top of the joist, so I don't need to lift. Maybe I will have to go down just a little bit because with the tension, when the house is cracking and everything upstairs and all around, I noticed that with the tension, the beam rise about 3/4 of inch last week, so maybe I will have to drop it or to lower it a bit. What I'm doing for the past 2 days is giving some tension to those two posts until it will be straight. And when I will manage to make it straight, I will again here make two temporary beams, one on each side, so I can replace this one. And for the other beam, because I will make two today, as I mentioned earlier, it will be from here, because as I mentioned in the previous video, or as you can see right now, I don't know why, but they built this wall outside of the foundation, which means nothing is holding that wall but a couple of nails nailed to the kitchen section and the corner that holding on the front wall and on the rear wall. So what I will do here is on the corner of each foundation side of the foundation, I will make a good post, a good solid post, and I will sit my beam on it. It will allow me to release all the tension and sit the gables and the walls and everything, even the roof, on this beam instead of, I don't know how it's holding at the moment, apart from the front and the rear wall. I don't know how it's holding. So this is the job for today. So that makes one beam done. This one, the 4-ply, will go in the strongest or the weakness parts of the house at the moment, which is this flimsy beam here. I haven't uncapped it yet, but I think it's a 4x6 or maybe 4x8. But again, it's a 3 and it's not a custom made beam or a multiple ply beam, so that's the reason why it's so soft and it's bending almost like paper. So this beam might be a little overkill, but it will be very strong, so I will have the peace of mind knowing that the house won't bend, nothing will sink or going down because it's weak, because I've got overkill for all my beam so far, and I intend to continue that way because it worked well, and as I said, I will have the peace of mind. So yeah, the next beam is going up there is a 184 inches beam compared to the other, which was pretty much the same length and at 183. So this one I will have some kind of work since I need absolutely to be on the foundation. So I will build a post, unfortunately outside the wall, so I will have to make some kind of bulkhead or double the wall. I don't know what I will do with this section and the section in the bathroom, but I have no choice but to build the post on the foundation so it's strong enough to hold everything up there. This is it, guys. Both beams are done. The one that will go on the wall between the kitchen and the bigger part is the 3-ply beam, simply because it holding less weight than the middle beam here. So this is the reason why it's only a 3-ply beam. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later.